Hi there. I wanted to remind you of the directions of 8 features of civilization activity. So, for part one, you learned about the characteristics of a civilization when we discussed these slides in class, Rise of Civilizations Part 1. So, the first thing you're going to do is out of all 8 of those characteristics, I want you to choose 4 that you think are the most important. And I even on slide 9 gave you the entire list again, even though it's in all the slides. So what you will do is pick the 4 you think are most important and rank them in order of importance. Name the characteristic, and then why do you think it's the most important? Okay. Then in part 2, you have a link to each station. So it says make observations of the photos on the slides for each station. Write the common features of the images at each station. Now, normally this is something where I'd have pictures printed out and we'd move about the room, but what we'll do this time is we're just going to click on the slides. So what are some common features that you see among these images? And then you would just type that here in the table. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about what to do.